Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram login error. All right, so let's begin with the video. To fix an Instagram login error, start by checking your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile network, as a weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in properly. Also, ensure that any VPN on your device is turned off, since VPNs can sometimes interfere with Instagram's servers and cause login issues. If the problem continues, try clearing the app's cache and data. Go to your phone's settings, then scroll down and navigate to Apps section. Here, search for Instagram in the list and open it. From there, tap on Storage section. Once you are here, first tap on Clear Cache. After that, tap Clear Data and confirm your choice. This will reset the app and remove any corrupted files that might be causing the issue. Once you've done this, open Instagram again and try logging in. In most cases, this resolves the problem and allows the app to work normally. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Instagram login error. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.